Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring themed investing with Stash, a beginner friendly app that helps you invest in curated portfolios aligned with your interests and values. Whether you're passionate about tech, sustainability, or other themes, Stash makes it easy to get started with investing. Let's dive into how you can use Stash for themed investing. Download and set up your Stash account. Begin by downloading the Stash app from your device's app store. Create an account and provide some basic financial details to set up your profile. Stash offers a range of account options, including personal investment accounts and retirement accounts. Explore themed portfolios. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Invest tab and browse the available themed portfolios. These portfolios group investments around specific topics, such as clean energy, women-led businesses, or innovative technology. Each theme includes a mix of ETFs and stocks selected to align with its focus. Choose a theme that matches your goals. Review the details of each portfolio, including its investment objective and performance history. Pick a theme that resonates with your personal interests or financial goals, whether it's supporting sustainable practices or capitalizing on emerging markets. Set your budget and start investing. With Stash, you can invest with as little as $5. Enter the amount you'd like to invest in your chosen theme and confirm your purchase. Stash will allocate your funds proportionally across the stocks and ETFs in the portfolio. Automate your investments. Take advantage of Stash's Auto Stash feature to automate your contributions. Set up a recurring deposit to regularly invest in your themed portfolio, helping you stay consistent with your investment plan. Track your portfolio performance. Use the app's dashboard to monitor the performance of your investments. Stash provides insights into how your portfolio is doing, including gains, losses, and dividend payouts. Diversify your themes. Consider investing in multiple themes to diversify your portfolio. This reduces risk and allows you to explore different sectors or values that matter to you. Learn as you go. Stash also offers educational resources to help you understand investing basics and make informed decisions. Check out their articles, tips, and guides directly within the app. With Stash, themed investing becomes accessible and empowering, enabling you to align your investments with the causes and industries you care about most. Have you tried themed investing on Stash? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly financial guides. See you in the next one.